What is up, everybody? It is Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2002 Yamaha Roadstar Warrior. It's got the 1670cc motor, the 5-speed transmission, and we just got this thing in. It's super cool, and it's really clean. It's a really nice bike, especially for an 02. Let's take a walk around this thing. Back tire's got plenty of life left. Got that nice wide back tire. It's got the belt drive, got the rear turn signals, got the brake light. I do like the way Yamaha puts the brake light underneath the rear fender like that. I think it makes it a really clean look. Coming up over here on the top fender, there's not much to report. It's pretty clean. There's not even like any scratches or anything. Like I said, it is an 02, and the guy did ride it, so it's not like it just lived in his garage. But it looks pretty good on top there. Coming across the side of the fender, everything's in good order. There's the turn signal that we saw before. It's got the Vance & Hines pipes. They look super cool and super clean. And got everything in here on the rear brake, the rotor, and all the assembly there. All things looking to be in order there. Coming here, we got the side panel. The side panel's in good shape. Got your rear pegs for your passenger. Everything in here. The motor bay is looking pretty clean. Air cleaner super clean. Gonna catch a little bit of reflection off of that bad boy. Got the kind of like the floorboard, the small floorboard peg things going on. The rear brake. Got the little shield there to keep your boot off of the exhaust. And looking up here on the tank. Not a lot to see up here that's negative. It's all good. It's kind of an interesting color. It's a little bit more purple than the video shows. There are some marks on the top of the tank that we'll talk about later. They are very faint. Do not miss out on the test drive that Sean does of this video. It should be up on YouTube, and it'll be a good way to learn more about this bike. It does have the inverted forks. Fork tubes are looking good. Again, you got turn signals. And down here, I've never really understood these covers. Goldwing has those too. I'm not the biggest fan. If you're gonna put them there, make them metal. If not, just keep them off. I don't know, that's my opinion. I should just keep that to myself while we're doing this. With this front tire is in decent shape. I think it's gonna pass inspection, but might need a new one sooner rather than later. Got a small mark here on the front fender, but not much else there. Headlight, got this like weird scratch right here above the headlight. I have no idea how that got there. And we'll look at the tire on the other side. This thing spun around. Tire on the other side does have the dual disc, or the dual rotors up front. Again, this fork tube is looking good, just like the other side. There you saw the turn signal. Got your mirror here, controls. Here on this side of the tank, there's some marks here. I'm not really sure what they're from. It looks like mostly just like little tiny like specks, but it's not chips. That's the weird thing. I don't know what that is. But there's one chip right there at the top of my finger. Other than that, this thing's looking pretty good. Down this side of the tank, also looking good. Here in the motor bay, looking clean. Again, you got the floorboard hybrid with the peg thing kinda. Shifter, kickstand down there. Got your rear peg. Side cover's looking good. Have the key there. Enter the key to pop that off. And coming back here, it is belt driven. There's the belt cover. The belt does look to be in good shape. Not cracked or coming apart or anything. I mean, it is a 2002, but it's in pretty nice shape. Get this rear fender coming up over the top, up to the seat. Got the passenger seat here. Looks like it does have the spot to put the sissy bar on if you wanted that. We do not have that, I don't think. You got this big soft seat for the rider coming up over here on the top of the tank. These are the spots I mentioned just a little bit earlier. There's a spot right there. There's a similar spot right there. Oh, there's a third one. It's weird. They're just like these little marks that are like out of the clear coat, but the paint's fine. So I don't know what would have caused that. But that's something to know if you're interested in this bike. Here you go, get your left controls. Coming across, get your right controls. Speedometer. It does have a tach on this bike. You can see the mileage here. It's got 15,340 miles. It's a really nice bike. It's really clean. We're gonna fire this up for you so you can hear it run. Right to life. Are sounding nice. Let's make sure the signals work. Get your front signal, and you got your rear signal. Again, make sure you check out the test drive video that Sean does of this bike. Don't miss out. This thing's not gonna last long, especially with it warming up a little bit. The rear signal there, the front signal there. All right, guys, there you go. You've seen it. Don't miss out. Like I said, it's a 2002 Yamaha Roadstar Warrior, and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys.